Well, thanks. I appreciate the introduction and again, the diverse audience of folks yesterday and today. It is this diversity that is our strength as an industry. So this talk is going to be a little bit different, I think, I hope, than some of the ones yesterday and some other talks today. But there are three things I wanted to discuss. And the first is pursuing root causes. In this case, I'm going to poke fun at America's abysmal recycling rate. And if we can understand those root causes, we'll talk a little bit about the economic structure that actually requires recycling. And then the third topic is going to be economic restoration policies that stimulate recycling. So thank you. I want to start here, though, too, with a brief story. When I was a teenager in South San Francisco, my dad gave me the job of smashing the aluminum cans. And we'd bring those to the recycling center, and I would get paid, and that was a way for me to earn money. And I learned a lot of valuable lessons at this time. The traditional lessons about the job creation, energy savings, reduced impacts from mining, a lot of environmental benefits.